what is Mage Arena? In Mage Arena, players create lobbies of up to 8 players, split into wizards and warlocks, and battle in big arenas. The twist, you speak the spells to cast them, from fireballs to freeze blasts. Just say the spell out loud and watch the magic happen. Simple yet fun. It's incredibly simple to play. With voice recognition, you're casting spells like a pro from the get-go. The best part, it works right out of the box with your Windows microphone, no setup required. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Exciting spells and combat. The spells pack a punch. A fireball is like a nuke. A freeze spell can turn enemies into ice, and magic missiles home in on targets. It's D&D wizardry at its best. Extra fun stuff. Aside from blowing each other up, you can craft swords and staves, trade with goblins, or raid a crypt full of skeletons for loot. Every round offers randomly generated maps, keeping each battle fresh. Mage Arena is a unique, fast-paced spellcasting game with tons of fun mechanics and voice-powered casting. If you haven't tried it, now's the time. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.